My name is Ahin Jeff Peter, and I'll be taking you through using common spreadsheet functions, sum and count. So, introduction to spreadsheet functions. Spreadsheet functions are built-in formulas designed to perform specific calculations. They save time, reduce errors, and allow for complex calculations with simple formulas. In Excel and similar softwares, functions always start with an equal sign. This lesson, we will explore two commonly used functions, the sum and count functions. The sum function. Purpose of the sum function is to add together a series of numbers or cell values. Adding series of numbers or cell values is the function of the sum in Excel. The syntax: sum into brackets number 1, number 2. Can take individual numbers, cell references, or rings as arguments. Example: sum A1, A2, A3, or equal to sum A1 through to A3. Handles multiple ranges. So the sum function handles multiple ranges. Example: equal to sum A1 through to A3, C1 through to C3. Another function of the sum ignores text and blank cells in the range. Okay, how the sum function works. Step 1. Select the cell where you want the results. Step 2. Type equal to sum and specify the range or numbers. Step 3. Close the bracket and press enter. So the sum function ignores text and blank cells in the range. So this is Microsoft Excel, a blank workbook. And amount 25. That one fine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So the sum function works with equal to sum, bracket open, cell B to B3, V6. Then you close your bracket, then enter. So this is your final total using the sum function. So how the sum function works. We've already talked about how the sum function works, and this is a diagram of a sum function and how it works in Excel. The count function. What is the purpose of the count function? Count function is used to count numbers of cells containing numeric values. Its syntax is count, value 1, value 2. Count function can take individual numbers, cell references, or ranges as argument. Example of a count function is equal to count. That's the syntax of the count function. Then you open your brackets, cell A1 through to A5. Then you close your brackets. The count function ignores text, blank cells, and logical values unless converted to numbers. The count function also is used for helping data analysis and identifying missing values. Let's go straight to how the count function works. Step 1, select the cell where you want the count results. Step 2, type equal to count, that's the syntax, and specify the range. Step 3, close the bracket and press enter. The function will return the number of numeric entries in the range. This is useful for determining the size of numeric data sets without manually checking each cell. Okay, so let's move on to the count function. Henry, then John, Samuel, or Sammy, Enoch. So let's give them some numbers: 54, 25, 45, 36, 81, 85, 79. So let's use the count function to count the numbers in cell E. So you first type the equal to sign, then count. Then open your brackets, cell A, cell E7 through to cell E12. Then you close your brackets, then enter. You get these numbers. Okay. So so this is an image from a count function. Key differences: sum versus the count function. The sum add numeric values together. The sum count can be used for totals. Parse count is for finding the quantity of numeric entries. The sum ignores text. Count also ignores text. Example, for cell A1 to cell A15, A2 hello, A3 10. Sum A1 to A3 15. Practical tips for using sum and count. Use AutoSum in Excel to quickly insert the sum function. Count only works for numeric data. For conditional counts, use COUNTIF or COUNTIFs. Combine sum with other functions for advanced calculations. Always double check the selected range and to avoid calculation. And this will be the end of our lesson.